Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fondue without a fondue pot. You don't need specialized equipment to enjoy this delightful treat. We'll explore several simple methods using items you likely already have in your kitchen. From a makeshift double boiler to a slow cooker, you'll discover how easy it is to achieve that perfectly smooth, warm chocolate. Get ready to impress your guests with this clever approach to a classic dessert. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients for a truly decadent chocolate fondue. The star, of course, is the chocolate itself. Opt for a good quality bar or chips, perhaps 12 ounces, for a superior taste. To achieve that luscious, dippable texture, you'll want about 1/2 cup of heavy cream or whole milk. A touch of butter or coconut oil, around 1 tablespoon, will add a beautiful sheen and extra richness to your creation. With your ingredients ready, let's melt that chocolate to perfection. One excellent method is a double boiler. Place a heat-safe bowl over a saucepan with about 1 inch of simmering water. Stir your 12 ounces of chocolate and 1/2 cup of cream until it's completely smooth. Alternatively, microwave the mixture in 30-second bursts, stirring thoroughly after each, until it reaches a warm, flowing consistency, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a silky smooth fondue. Finally, it's time for the best part, serving and dipping. To keep your fondue warm, transfer it to a small slow cooker set to its lowest warm setting. Another great option is a sturdy, heat-safe bowl placed over a small tea light warmer. Arrange an enticing array of dippers, such as fresh strawberries, banana slices, fluffy marshmallows, crunchy pretzels, and crisp cookies. Enjoy this delightful, communal dessert experience with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.